Do you know this British band U2? They're probably the only people in the world Rennie Harlin doesn't know. Rennie Harlin and Sheena David, the royal couple of Finland. Sad Sheena David died. But do you know what happened to the flowers on Hollywood Hills? Sylvester Stallone, who is Rennie Harlin's good personal friend. Let's go. Hey man! Ah, god damn it! Have you ever tasted karjalanpaisti or kalakukko? Fishcock. It sounds like Hitchcock, but Hitchcock is British. Rennie Harlin is Finnish. Ah! See you later, alligator. You say, in a while. Yes. Munarikasta pääsiäistä. Try to find that in your dictionary.